recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today I am so excited. I have so much to show y'all. I cannot believe that I am officially able to say this, but today we are diving right into the art of wig installation with a stylist guide. I am officially becoming a hairstylist in 2025. Like, that's my goal for 2025. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Y'all have really been showing out on my page. I love y'all so much. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Hairline. Let's go ahead and dive right into the video. Alright guys, so the first step that I like to do is I like to inspect all of my wigs that I get first. Then I begin the entire bleaching process, which you see me mixing the bleach. I do like to have the toothpaste texture, so the thicker it is, the more likely it won't bleed through the actual lace and dye your entire hair.
And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me.
And now you see the bleach mixture that is placed on the lace. And y'all, please make sure you are placing this bleach very lightly. If you pack it into your lace, it's going to seep through your lace no matter how thick it is. So always make sure you're very light-handed when placing the bleach on your lace. And make sure to cover the entire lace of your wig, or you'll have some spots that won't take the bleach at all.
It's not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July.
Next, I will be plucking my wig, which I don't really pluck too much, so you'll only see like a few parting spaces where I did pluck the actual wig. And then we are going to go ahead and switch over to the styling process.
It's not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
Damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know.
Now I am prepping my wig before the actual install, and that's just to lay down any flyaways that I may see, because I do not want the flyaways to get stuck on the glue as I lay the wig down.
I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather.
And with the ball cap method, I like to lay a thin layer of lace glue before actually placing my wig cap.
There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning color.
And here I'm just mapping where I would like my lace to lay on my head.
I never thought this would end, but then the season changed.
Alright, now I am laying my glue, and y'all, I like to lay at least 3 to 5 layers of glue to make sure that my wig does not go anywhere for a while. And now I'm just taking my hot comb to seal everything in.
That's right. And I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings.
Now I'm adding my melt band to begin the melting process. Alright, now we are cutting the lace, and y'all, I like to get as close to the hairline as possible when cutting the lace. And here you see me adding my melt band again for me to complete the styling process. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' stick to shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. is the finished look. Tell me, how did I do? That is a wrap on our official wig installation guide. I hope this helps somebody who's just now beginning, just now starting. I know it's helped me a lot because now I have my own video that I can go back to, see myself doing the work, and actually do it again and again and again and again whenever I need to. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want more, and drop your comments and requests in the comments below. Because y'all, at the moment, I do read every comment, and I try to respond to everybody that comments on my video. Y'all be making my day. Y'all don't know the half. Y'all really be showing me love, and I love y'all too. But until next time, you guys, always keep shining and empower your inner beauty. Bye.
Your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic.